Hello learners, welcome to the complete ethical hacking course, and we are learning the concept of ethical hacking and exposing the hackers. So first chapter is MITM part 1, Man in the Middle Attack part 1. I'm your instructor Sunil Gupta. What is MITM? MITM is the act of capturing data as it transferred over a network. The data can be recorded and used for reconnaissance, means information gathering, or used in an attack. An ethical hacker is a person who attacks an organization's security on behalf of its owners in order to discover vulnerabilities. Man in the middle attack is like when two computers are connecting with each other and I am in between them to capture data which is going from this computer to this computer. That is called man in the middle attack. Types of man in the middle attack. There are two types of sniffing on man in the middle attack: active attack and passive attack. Active MITM. What is active MITM? When sniffing is performed on a switched network, it is known as ActiveNet. I think you know about switch and hub in a network. Switch is updated version of hub. So if it is a switch-based network, it is a hardware. If it is a switch-based network, it is called active sniffing. Active sniffing relies on injecting packets into the network that cause traffic. Active sniffing is required to bypass the segmentation that switches provided. Switch maintain their own ARP cache, special type of memory known as content addressable memory, keeping track of which host is connected to which port. Sniffers are operated at the data link layer of OSI model. This means that they do not have to play by the same rules as application and services that resides further upstack. Passive MITM. The hubs which are working in a network, it can be done by passive MITM if there are hubs in your network. Passive sniffing is performed when the use of on a hub, because the user is on the hub, all traffic sent to all ports. All the attacker must do is to start the sniffer and just wait for someone to the same collision domain to start sending or receiving data. Collision domain is a logical area of the same collision domain to start sending or receiving data. Collision domain is a logical area of the network in which one or more data packets can collide with each other. Protocols which are vulnerable to MITM: Telnet, HTTP, SNMP, POP3, FTP, and NTP and IMAP. Why these are vulnerable to MITM? Because these protocols can send the data in plain text. Like in Telnet, what they do, they send data in plain text. The same with the HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, File Transfer Protocol, and some other protocols. They always send that data in clear text. So when someone grabs the data, then it can get the data in clear text and there is no encryption. So this is all about MITM, the type of MITM and the protocols which are vulnerable to MITM. In next video, we'll learn some software and tools to do a man in the middle attack. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.